Hi and welcome back to Candling Coffee. Here we have a Lucca M58, and this machine was brought in because no water was coming from the group head, it wasn't heating. And what happened was the solenoid valve that's responsible for letting the pump put water into the boiler had failed. So water couldn't get into the boiler, and so the boiler wouldn't heat because water wasn't meeting the water level probe, and that's a safety procedure, to keep the heating element from burning out. But now the boiler's full. You can see it's got good pressure. We've got heat on both the brew boiler and the steam boiler, and all is good. So let's pull it shut. Got about 18 grams in here. Let's see how that goes. Pretty well. Boom. Let's rock some steam. Show you that's all good. Just twist this there. Just place the water here. There we go. And you can see the pressure is in the nominal range, about 1.2. Good. More water. Looking good. There you have it. Lucca working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Candling Coffee. Please like our videos. And if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.